Hello guys and welcome back to this channel, where today guys I'll be showing you how to request a refund from Netflix. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in netflix.com. After that you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Netflix if you haven't already done that of course. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So as you can see in the top left corner we have the home, TV shows, movies, new and popular, my list and browse by languages. And in the top right corner, we have, of course, your profile. But now, guys, let's see how you can actually go and request a refund from Netflix. So first of all, click on your profile icon in the top right corner and select account. So go to the top right corner and click on account. Then scroll down, of course, and find the manage payment method or the, of course, memberships and everything and the billing. Then go and scroll down to membership and billing section, click on cancel membership. Follow the instructions to complete the cancellation process. Once your subscription is canceled, contact Netflix customer service to request a refund. You can do this through the help section on the Netflix website or by calling their customer support line. Netflix customer support service will review your request and provide further instructions if a refund is possible. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, as always, bye guys.